Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Irene. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a couple of my favorite oils that I like to use on my hair, either on my scalp, to seal my hair, for shine, all that good stuff. If you missed my first favorite 2021 shampoo and deep conditioners video, I will link that up above and down in the cards. But without further ado, I'm going to get into a couple of my favorite oils because I personally still use oils. I don't know about the rest of the natural hair community, but I still like my oil. So I'm going to share with you a couple of my favorites. So let's get into it. This first one is an oil that I like to seal my hair with after applying like my leave-in and my moisturizer. I apply this on top just to seal in the moisture. And this is the Kalita Naturals Kinky Girl All Natural Hair Growth Oil. And I feel like this oil has helped me retain a lot of moisture in my hair. Like when I seal with this product, it's more than enough. Like my hair is moisturized after I use it. It doesn't weigh my hair down either. What else can I say about it? Like especially I like to add a little extra of this to my ends. You know, our ends rub up against everything when our hair is out. They're the oldest part of our hair. It's the driest part of our hair that's prone to splitting and breakage and knots. So I like to add a little bit of extra of this oil on my ends just to prevent all of that from happening. And I really think that this oil has helped me to not only, you know, retain more moisture in my hair because I use it to seal, but to also retain length. And the first ingredient is grapeseed oil. And as you know, grapeseed oil is a sealing oil, but it's not too heavy. So I like that about it as well. The next oil is also from the same brand. It's the Kinky Girl All Natural Double Growth Hair Oil. This is formulated for people who like have alopecia or deal with baldness, excess shedding and everything like that, because it's supposed to improve blood circulation to your scalp. It has a lot of invigorating ingredients in it like biotin, peppermint, rosemary oil, vitamin E, sulfur, lemon oil, lavender oil, zinc. It has a lot of good stuff in it. And so I like to use this on my scalp. Not too often. I don't oil my scalp that often. It's usually just on wash day. Sometimes I do it midweek depending on how I feel, but I like to oil my scalp when my hair is damp, like straight after wash day. It doesn't make sense to me to put oil on my scalp when my scalp is already dry because oil doesn't moisturize your hair. I use this definitely on my edges. Usually I wet my edges with some water because I like them to be moisturized, and then I do a couple drops of this on my fingers, massage it in, and then I get in the shower. I like to use it for that purpose, to like really sink into my follicles and allow the good ingredients to like nourish my follicles. I don't know if it's like made my hair grow faster or thicker or anything like that. Honestly, I don't really think so, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about hair growth oils. I feel like your hair is going to grow regardless, and it's all about retaining length, and of course genetics, your diet and all that stuff plays a huge factor. So I don't put too much like expectation on hair growth oils. I just like to use them because I know the ingredients are nourishing my scalp. I don't know if it's making things get thicker or grow faster, but I know that my hair is growing. So yeah, that's like my little mini rant about oils. But my next one is from Shadavi. This is their hair and scalp growth elixir. This is vegan, natural, and pure. This one also has a really amazing ingredients in it. I really like this oil to use when I'm separating my hair, for taking out my twists or my braid outs. I just put a couple drops on my hands to like minimize frizz, just for like an extra boost of shine in my hair. This oil is also very lightweight. It doesn't weigh my hair down. It doesn't make my hair feel greasy. This oil is multi-purpose. Honestly, you can use oil so many ways. Sometimes I like to use it on my cuticles because, you know, you wash your hands all the time, your nails get dry. So I like to put a couple drops on my cuticles to keep them moisturized. I find myself gravitating towards it to like I said, to take my hair down. Or sometimes I use it to oil my scalp as well. Like I said, it just depends on how I feel and what I want to use. All of these oils are black owned. A lot of my products are black owned and I love to see it. So the next product, and also my last product, is new to my collection. It's also from Adwoa Beauty. It's the Blue Tansy Treatment Serum, and it strengthens and repairs your hair. This product you can also use a bunch of ways. Can we just appreciate the beautiful packaging of this? You have to be really careful because these are glass. Also, the Shadabi one is in a glass bottle as well. You can use this a couple different ways. You can add it to your deep conditioner to like enhance its effects. This one also works great with their leave-in cream for to keep your hair protected. It also adds shine. I love the way that this smells. It has a florally scent, but it's not like granny florally. It's very subtle. It smells really good. I really like the smell of it. I obviously don't use this on my scalp. Not saying that I couldn't, but like I would have to squirt it into my hands and massage it into my head, which I guess I can do, but I pretty much use this for shine. But this one I know for sure is good as a heat protectant when you use it with their leave-in cream as well. So just to recap, I would use this one for length retention, like I said, to seal in the moisture. It's the heaviest out of all of these, but it's still not a heavy oil. Like it's not like castor oil like or anything like that. It's not thick. If you just want something to stimulate your scalp, I will recommend this one for sure. And if you're someone that you prefer your oils to be on the lighter side, you don't and you just want like a light multi-purpose oil that you can use for pretty much anything, your scalp, to seal your hair, whatever you want to do with it, I would recommend Shadabi. Oh, I forgot to mention, this one is really good to make your hair shiny. Just a couple squirts to like add shine to your straight hair without weighing it down. I would recommend this one as well. So yeah, those are my favorite oils for 2021 that I really like to use on my hair and my scalp and a bunch of other ways, you know. And you can also use some of them as hot oil treatments as well. Whatever you want to do, get creative. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found something in this video that you want to try out for yourself, for your hair or your scalp, however you want to use it. I do plan on doing a video on my favorite leave-ins and stylers, so make sure you keep your eyes open for that. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!